Welcome. Let's take a quick tour of our front-end folder structure. Components contains reusable UI styled with tailwind CSS like admin, biodata, dashboard, Firebase configuration, forgot password, form, profile details, report, support, about us, biodata statistics, visit biodata, card, count, error components, and so on live here for consistency. Constants: this folder contains static values like user report and search option or status labels. Hooks: we have created custom hooks here like context API, user auth, user biodata, query, use biodata status, use favorite, use URL params for authentication or fetching data to keep logic reusable and clean. Interface: all TypeScript types and interfaces are kept here to ensure consistency and strong typing. Pages: each route of our app like admin, biodata, dashboard, FAQ, favorite page, home, login, or profile sign up is a separate file here, which makes routing simple and modular. Routes contain route definition and logic for navigating between pages. Shared common components like header and footer that are used across multiple pages are placed here. Test: this is where we write unit and integration tests to make sure our feature work as expected. Utils: utility functions and helpers that support our application logic. We have created API utils, common button, info items, loading, divider, password visibility, toggle, password validation, range field, select field, text field, and use API. Assets contain images and logos. This front-end folder structure keeps our code organized, modular, and easy to maintain as our project grows. Let's explore how we structure our backend code base to ensure it's scalable, readable, and easy to maintain. We have used here Embassy folder structure. Controllers contain logic to handle requests and responses. Each controller manages a specific feature or domain like auth, delete biodata, favorite list, get biodata search, personal all details, report, update biodata, verify controller, user, biodata or admin. Database include database connection setup. This ensures our MongoDB connection logic is isolated and reusable. Interface define TypeScript interfaces for strong typing and consistency throughout the backend. And this is the file of the interfaces. Middleware hold reusable middleware functions like JWT verification, admin base access control, and error handling, named as admin, auth, verify middleware. Models Mongo's schemas that define the shape and structure of the data stored in MongoDB. Routes. All backend API endpoints are registered here. Each route imports a controller to handle the logic. Services contain the core business logic and reusable service functions that can be called by controllers. Utils utility functions like token generation, email and password validations, logger are replaced here to keep logic dry. App.ts and server.ts entry point of the application where Express is configured and the server start listening. Swagger.yml and swagger.js. We have used Swagger for API documentation. These files define and serve the API doc interactively. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this gave you a clear understanding of how we approach front-end and back-end development in this project.